Okay, so this is what province living in Thailand is about. You got kapow and other leaves in there. On the table there you can see the onion and the dotty type seed thing is kapow. That's what goes in your pat kapows. And this is province life cooking. How about that then? We do have a gas stove, a small gas stove inside, but Amanda seems to prefer cooking with charcoal. So let her get on with it. Joy's just come over to visit us, Amanda's sister, or one of Amanda's sisters. She always carries her hair cutting equipment with her. So she's getting a job already, look. Come over, bought this table with them. Very nice. So that's nice for outside. Didn't take your hand along to cover it. So here we go. Haircut number one.
Yeah.
And we'll get the final result in a bit. Okay, so this is the work that they've got done today. They fitted this panel in here, so there'll be no birds getting in there. A few bits of wood left lying about. Okay, so that's the corner piece sealed, and then all the way up there and down that side all sealed. So yeah, that's all done. And then one last bit is they made a nice finish on that bit there. So now the roof pretty well much looks the same both sides. So that's progress today. Tomorrow Let's have a look. We'll have this side of the house. And you'll have this bit here sealed, which is a bathroom. This all looks good here. And then let's have a look towards the end here. Yes, I think that's all good. So not too much to do down that side. All the tops all intact. And then you've got all the way along the front of the house, there's a gap above all them cross members or whatever they're called. So they're going to have to seal that tomorrow. And that'll be more or less them done. It's just the carpenter is coming in tomorrow to make all the windows work properly and lock. So that's quite a big job. But yeah, good start. So she's been on the whiskey with the builders and she's out of her face. That's Kat. And she's going to bike it home. Bye bye. There she goes. Out of her face. But the roads are fairly quiet. Again, start.
Now, then, where are we? I want give the free
Free.
with J, but I very heavy. I give the K.
We get free rice.
Yeah.
We get
but
free
they're
rice.
coming. Yeah.
So if you come here, Jay, you
If
get free
they're
rice.
coming, yeah, I give J here free.
Hey,
But they're not-
but we not carry home.
No,
It's too heavy.
You
Too
see,
heavy.
Very heavy. You see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heavy.
Yeah.
You
But
see
Amanda,
how many kilos?
Amanda, you tell Jay, are you okay?
Hello, Jay, I am okay, but I want give you the life fee, but heavy. But you coming or will come here, you don't pay. I give you free life and food.
See,
Yeah.
I like free. What do you reckon? Hold on. Bumpy.
You or me? You or me?
No, not me. You Bumpy.
Can be ready. Head bastard.